The Xiaomi 14 Pro is making waves as a top contender in the flagship smartphone market. Packing a punch with its impressive specs and sleek design, it's no wonder it's generating excitement. Here's a quick rundown of what makes this phone so hot. Powerhouse Performance. The 14 Pro boasts the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, ensuring buttery smooth performance for even the most demanding tasks. Whether you're a power gamer or a multitasking pro, this phone can handle it all with ease. Plus, with 12GB or 16GB of RAM, you'll enjoy seamless app switching and lag-free operation. Camera Kingpin. Photography enthusiasts, rejoice! The 14 Pro features a triple-lens rear camera setup, each sensor a whopping 50 megapixels. The f1.42 aperture on the main lens allows for stunning low-light photography, while the telephoto lens offers up to 3.2x optical zoom for capturing those distant details. And for selfie lovers, the 32 megapixels front-facing camera delivers picture-perfect results every time. But that's not all. The Xiaomi 14 Pro boasts a gorgeous 6.73-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate for ultra-smooth visuals, a long-lasting 4,880 mAh battery with 120W wired and 50W wireless charging, and a sleek and stylish design that's sure to turn heads. Whether you're a techie seeking cutting-edge performance or a photography aficionado craving a camera powerhouse, the Xiaomi 14 Pro is definitely worth checking out. With its impressive specs, stunning visuals, and feature-packed offerings, it's a strong contender for the title of Best Smartphone of the Year.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and leave a comment below to let us know what you think. And if you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends and family. Your support means the world to us.